In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FortEpic Games Launcher game to your home screen. If you regularly play Fortnite or any other game through the Epic Games Launcher, adding a shortcut to your home screen or desktop is a great way to save time. Instead of opening the launcher and browsing through your library every time you want to play, you can launch your favorite game directly from a convenient shortcut. This feature only takes a few moments to set up, and once it's created, accessing your game becomes much quicker and more convenient. To get started, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Wait for the launcher to load completely, then sign in if necessary so you can access your game library. Once you're on the main screen, click Library from the navigation menu. Here you'll find all of the games associated with your Epic Games account. Locate the game that you want to add to your home screen. This can be Fortnite or any other game available in your library. After finding the game, click the three-dot menu next to its title to open the available options. From that menu, select Manage to open the game's management settings. Inside the Manage section, look for the option labeled Create Desktop Shortcut. Next to this option, click Create. The Epic Games Launcher will automatically generate a shortcut for the selected game and place it on your desktop. This is the quickest and easiest way to create a shortcut because everything is handled directly through the launcher without needing to browse through your game files. Once you've clicked Create, Minimize, or close the Epic Games Launcher and return to your home screen or desktop, check to see if the new game shortcut has appeared. If it has, the process is complete and you can simply double-click the shortcut whenever you want to launch the game. This gives you much faster access and eliminates the need to open the launcher first and search through your library. If you don't immediately see the shortcut, give your desktop a moment to refresh and check again. In most cases, the shortcut appears almost instantly after it's created. Once it's visible, you can also move it to a different location on your desktop if you'd like to keep your shortcuts organized and easy to find. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add Fortnite or any Epic Games Launcher game to your home screen using the built-in shortcut feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,